I hope everyone is having a great day. Today, we'll take a quick look at Pepecoin again because the market has been pretty rough. On the day, we can see that altcoins are going down a lot. This is not really something to be very worried about in my opinion. We haven't gone back and forth between taking one step forward and two steps back, because if we look at the total market capital of crypto, we have seen completely soaring green candles for 5 weeks in a row. It's clear that the value of all cryptocurrencies has gone up a lot in the last 5 weeks, going from 2.19 trillion to almost 3.6 trillion. In other words, the value of the whole market has gone up by 50%. We'll see some kind of red candles, and you can see that we're going back in time. When we get a bunch of green candles in a row, we do print a few reds finally. Back in the year 2021, in a bull market, we print about 7 to 8 greens a week. We get some reds, we make more greens. There are more reds, so there might be a few reds and then a lot more greens. And I don't think we've reached the end of cycle goal of about $6 trillion yet. Anyway, enough with that. Let's talk about jokes. We can see that the value of meme coins has gone down a bit, which isn't always a bad thing. It used to be around 140 billion, but now it's just sitting there. I believe it was 118 billion. That's right, a lot of jokes are down today. There's been a lot of fear in the markets, and I'm crossing my fingers that this won't continue. It looks like Pepecoin is pretty strong on its own. We've seen it go down a bit because of this movement, but on the day it's printed, you can see a green number here. We're back down to 10.6 billion, but we weren't that much higher to begin with. We're just kind of hanging out at 11.6 billion. We've taken 1 billion from Pepe now. Personally, I don't think it's a big deal, but we could still see more bad things happen here for Pepe. This week's light is red, which is what we've printed so far. It hasn't been stopped as a red candle yet, which is something we don't want to see, but it might have to be the case. For now, guys, if you want to make money, whether the market is going up or down, please think about becoming a backer and joining Jacob's Crypto Clan on Discord, which I'll link to below. That's why becoming a patron will give you VIP access to the chat where you'll find alerts. Please check out Signal's Stealth Launch Early Alpha and all the other useful information that can help you make money whether the market is green or red. Thanks to all the new backers as well. This will really help you get that freedom of time, place, and money, we hope. We can always give you your money back too. Now that we're looking at Pepecoin, the weekly RSI did get a little too high. It wasn't nearly as overbought as last time. As you can see, March was a very happy time, but I guess there were fewer meme coins and Pepe was in its early stages. It was a lot more exciting that way. If we look at the daily period, we can see that we have had 3 straight all-time highs, but things aren't as happy as they were on November 12th, which was a month ago. We hit all-time highs, but there was no happiness or safety. We still have that along the way since November, but there was no happiness or safety. The fact that the RSI is going down like this can be seen as a bearish divergence. When you look at price structure, on the other hand, it does the opposite. This design is one I've seen before. The price structure prints a higher high, but the relative strength measure prints a lower high. When it came to Bitcoin, I remember seeing the same trend before it really crashed. Still, I don't see how Bitcoin is similar to Pepe. And this might just be a short-term glitch in the market. A lot of people were trying to buy back at 0.00022 during the day. Now this diagonal support has a lot of help. Now that this is written in as a pure support level, and over the last 2 days, a lot of money has built up around those lower levels. When you look at the 4-hour chart for Pepecoin, we are slowly moving up here, and we hope that we will now move toward that limit. That's now to 7 to realm. So yeah, it's a little sad to see it happen. To be honest though, you can't expect these markets to keep going up like they have. There will be some red days among the green days, but it's not a problem to see these as long as they don't happen right after each other. As you can see, the market is losing 50, 60, or 70% of its liquidity and other things like that. So far, everything looks good. Not going to worry about Pepe. Someone who wants to find a new level to play on Pepecoin might find it hard again, but the 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci range could help. For reaccumulation, you might see that kind of play around this price level. It might not even go back down there, which we just slid down into the 2.2, 2.1, and very low 2.3s could be good here. But let's see how this kind of day goes, since it can change a lot. Also, by the end of the day, anything could happen. Wouldn't ape in during these very unstable times? You can also see, let's use Grok in new ways. Send your best answer. Grok made works for Pepe. We also see Elon Musk responding to a lot of things around here every once in a while. You know what Elon Musk is saying here? Use Grok to make awesome jokes really quickly. That's what he tweeted 4 hours ago. There are also a lot of coins here if you look closely. You can see a lot of frogs. Yes, people are putting Pepe here and other things. An awful lot of people are interested in Pepe because of the Elon Musk Grok thing. It would be cool to know if you are buying crypto or selling crypto with leverage. Us.Thanks can be seen below. There is no Know Your Customer blockchain process across the world, and this will also let trading bots copy trades. The bots that trade will be here soon. In this case, too, you get more of a thing. You can stake and do other things, or you can check out KXX below if you want the lowest fees in the whole crypto market. And by the way, these are the lowest fees you'll ever find in the crypto markets. One reason we really like KXX is that it helps people save money. It's a safe, secure, and awesome site. Check those out. The links are below if you want to buy Pepe coins or meme coins in general. And we hope to see some of you food and water with this, because today is the day here. It looks like there is a lot of buying pressure on the market cap as a whole. By the time you get to 3.3 trillion, you can see that a lot of coins have been bought back. So there was a huge drop in that every day. You can see $400 billion worth of value going out of the market in one big sweep. It took place not long ago. Guys, we can see that it happened over here too. Just to be clear, that's 10% right there. Then we go back up. So let's hope we can march back up from this. Also, we had a big one here in October too, about 9%, and then we kept going. Are they also little JEETs? Are they like small paper hand wipeouts to get people to leave, selling their stall to make a bit of a rush and then more accumulation? It's hard to say, but we can see this pattern going over and over again. These 10% drops, then corrections, then rising prices, then consolidation, and then hopefully moving forward again. From now on, keep your fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the chat as well. Peace.